Which are your major ongoing projects?
Major ongoing projects as of now, we are on the verge of completing our Chitrudurga highway project, which is a NHAI project at Karnataka. The other major project that we are doing, which is a very interesting project here, is the Kasheli bridge, that is the old Bhiwandi Thane road, the NH3 part, initially known as the old Bhiwandi Thane road. We are doing the 6 laning of that 9-kilometer patch, which has two major bridges across the creek. So that is a major project. It's about 200 crores, 189 crores also. We are doing the high-end IT park for Supreme Housing. This is one of the most difficult and different kind of structures that we are dealing with in building construction. Recently, we've started Ramprastha Developers about 2.5 million square feet of construction at Delhi. That is the ongoing project that we've started. We are doing a flyover at Jaipur. So these 5 projects constitute the major amount. We are doing 79 kilometers of drainage for Thane city. That is again a major project, it's about 150 crores.
How do you look at competition?
I look at competition with very open and clear thought that there is room for everybody to take jobs, and there are areas where you have your strong presence which is going to be effective on building up your order book. Competition, of course, will have different areas and different contemporaries building up, but with an end-to-end model which we have as Supreme Infrastructure, we definitely have a better edge on getting better contracts and getting better rates or deriving better bottom lines for taking contracts from the competition.
What is your business plan?
Business plan is basically taking the company to the levels of the large cap from the mid cap right now. What it is, that is the commitment to the share investors, to shareholders, is basically that the top lines should be traditionally whatever has been the growth should be maintained, at the same time increasing the order book, and the roadmap is to get into power as a vertical. I mean, be it power transmission or be it power generation, any other two, to get into that and increase the volume and the size of business.
What is your strategy for growth?
Strategy for growth is basically, as an infrastructure player, you need to have your presence in more than one or maybe more than 3 areas, because the different areas have different order books which are going to pour in. So that is one strategy, that you need to have presence as a player at different areas. You should have the capacity to be able to execute contracts at different areas, not restricted to the single one. That would give you better top lines, and that would give you better order books from different areas coming in, which will result into the better top lines and the better bottom lines. And the second is to maintain this end-to-end model on different areas and different situations, which could improve the bottom lines as of the total construction or the total infrastructure execution process is concerned.